a receipt of Nkusukum road no Nanaba road internal roads a receipt no aka has the low cost has the I think the final road is here ni aka can you about 5 kilometers but you hold we ni pipe be apel in but bridge so you be je kan ye hold we na da ye hoyan we bridge wo be for motonyo be for London bridge na so got a motor say yeah but got and that's wrong the good by Mr. gravel works so more at that time, but on Chebia, what about next month ending the Kutana good. See, I don't dress, every dress in that one kind of just. But enjoy it. I'm going to papa. Yeah, you ever started when you're a boy home. It's someone too. My new human name, yeah. No marble, Wabba, Sabo. That's my say. Into yes, some of Papa, the one shed quote on over good in them. No man, the human why you baby with Jamie go. About no more how I just Papa.
Only why you weary. No, me pray me be said there. And sana, December about 2 aban. No, you win there. As no quota go do to my yaze. Osande.
What master, what they own do, even about to go. And I go, Canado.
Osande, out of it. Well, you may be 1 year, you might 1 year, you might. And see, Yapia there, quota no good do. Asana, baby, I'll so walk. I
road develop the Juma. And see, Mamma, let me can, Mamma can be a benty in the way. I'm with my rent them there. Nana, all can I. You miss what there. Even about to Pondu. Oba Birbin, Nego Kota, Bibia.
Dom Sutia. Now, was in Subo Gugudo, and there was in Sugudo. Ama.
Water tank. I may be able to get your mom.
Sir, your baby on your own, your watching was Sunday, you will not balance. No, never yet own it.
Well, today, 29th of August, would normally have been the Odambea festival of the people of the chiefs and the people of Nkusukum traditional area. If you may well know, the Nkusukum is the largest group that migrated from the then Bono Manso, Techiman, Tuabodom area, moved to the south, settled in Kwamankese those days, and then some moved to Mankesim, and then Kumfi, led by Nana Jinankuma, they also moved, and then the Nkusukum was the largest group that moved to Saltpong, part of Mankesim, Saltpong, Biriwa, through to Nyamransa. And this year, or this today, would have been a very big day, and people from all over the country would have come here, but because of the COVID, they couldn't. Nevertheless, Nananum put on their traditional regalia, and we went to show them the projects that the NPP government led by Nana Dodankwa Akufo-Addo and my own MP, Kwansa Hayford, has done in the constituency or the municipality, and it's marvelous. You saw me at the Victoria Park. Victoria Park is the center for all the activities we undertake in the Nkusukum area. Don't forget, Saltpong is the center of political activity in Ghana. Nkrumah, JB Dankwa, Park Grant, they were all here. And so Saltpong has to take its rightful place, and this Victoria Park redevelopment is a plus for the presidency of Nana Akufo-Addo, and we are happy. I'm happy to be part of it.
When we went to the Jubilee Park, Nananu made a few letter requests looking at the state of the project, and you made a promise. How do you see the request and the way forward?
Yes, the plan for the Victoria Park started way before me. They requested, and I commend the current MP who inherited from me. I broke the ranks. It used to be this place used to be a strong NDC seat, and I broke through, and we won it. We lost it again, and we had taken it back, and we intend to hold it and become one of the strongest MPP strongholds. And for me, what the MP has done is marvelous. A few things that we can think through, and I want the majestic nature of the place. So I promise to add some Greek pillars, big ones. I love pillars. I love nice Greek pillars, and but I will put up and add to it, and it makes a grand stand. And that's what I promise to do, to add up to the MP's work he's doing.
Today is the second trip we are engaging the traditional leaders. We have 4 paramountcy in Mfantseman, and we have decided that we want them to feel what we've done. So today we had the opportunity to take Nkusukum Traditional Council around Saltpong. Nkusukum is a very big area, but we focus on Saltpong. We promised them we are going to develop their roads. The roads are ongoing. We promised them we were going to complete an uncompleted project which was abandoned for the past 10 years. It has been completed. We promised them we were going to build a new Victoria Park. This was a promise which was made by the NDC in 8 years of office. They couldn't do it. But we promised them that when we are given the nod in 4 years, we can do it. And today, I feel proud as a member of parliament that this historic movement of the good people of Saltpong has come true. A year ago, we promised them that we were going to deliver. Now, we have not been able to complete it, but the chiefs have confirmed that 75% completion is enough for them. And to the extent that if today we were to celebrate the Odambea festival, we could have done it there. This is an indication that the new patriotic party delivers on its promise. So today is the happiest day in my life because the chiefs and the traditional leaders of Nkusukum has seen that when I promise, I deliver. I don't promise and I turn my back. They've seen the difference of 8 years of NDC and 4 years of Kwansa Hayford MPP. And I am more than happy that this project has seen the light of the day in my first 4 years as a member of parliament from Mfantseman. I want to urge them that we are not in normal times, but once we are not in normal times, we have to abide by the rules of the game. The COVID is still with us. But then what we strive to do is to bring development to the good people of Nkusukum. the development they yearn for has come. Festival or no festival, the people have seen the development. And I think that is enough for the chiefs. That is why, in my opinion, I decided to take them run for them to feel that it is not about writing a green book when the project does not exist, but it's about sending them to the factuality on the grounds so that the chiefs can write the book and speak to it. So it is about speaking to your track records as against writing a non-existence project in a green book. And we don't write green book, we write factual book.